Hi there, I'm going to show you this amazing 4D fiber mascara. So it's our Epic Mascara with the fibers infused. So as you can see, I have just bare lashes, nothing else, no other makeup on. This wand has a side to give you length and another side to give you volume. So what I like to do is I'll put one coat, let it sit for a second, go to the other side, let it sit for a few seconds, go back, apply the other coat, and then to give more length I will add just to the tips. So I'm gonna get in close so I can see what I'm doing. And I'm starting off with just a thin coat. Then I'm gonna let this sit for a second, and I'm gonna go to the other side, and I am rolling the wand as I go up the lashes. Oh, sorry, I guess you couldn't see that. Rolling the wand as I go up the lashes. Then I'm going to come in and get these little tiny lashes over here. Okay, so now I'm going to let that sit just for a second, just to give it a few seconds to dry. Then I am going to focus on the tips just to get some more length. You want to make sure when you pull your wand out, you do it kind of a little bit slow, so that it pulls off that excess. And now I'm not focusing on the base, I'm just focusing on the tips, just to get some more length. As you're rolling that wand, it helps to straighten out those fibers so that they can attach to the tips and give you longer lashes. So I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm not getting all of the lash, I'm sorry. Trying to look in the mirror and you see I'm just focusing on the tips, and I'm rolling the wand to get more length. So I hope this helped you to get some more length and volume in your lashes. If you have any questions, let me know. Let me know how this works out. Hopefully it works out better for you. I look forward to talking to you soon, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.